Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my beautiful life. We're going to crochet this beautiful leaf. We're going to make just one, okay? We're going to use 2.6 hook size and any yarn that you want, okay? But I use this kind of yarn. This is the yarn. It's hand dyed anyway. I dye it. Hmm? Oh. And then what else? Oh, of course, you will need a thin yarn like this. And then it's 15 inches. You know why 15 inches? Because you're going to fold it like this and then you're going to crochet it. Okay? Together with the yarn. So, let's begin. Let's do a slip knot. This is how I do the slip knot. See? And then chain 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. And then after that, second chain from the hook, you're going to do single crochet. But before that, you're going to work with the wire. Like this, okay? So, insert your hook into the second chain from the hook. And then wrap up a yarn and do your single crochet. And then after that, you're going to do half double crochet, okay? So, half double crochet into the second stitch, half double crochet. There you go. And then after that, you are going to do 2 double crochet. Oh, that's painful. So take it easy, okay? Take care of that. That's painful. And then double crochet. And then one more double crochet. And then after that, you're going to do triple crochet. You're going to make four triple crochet, okay? So wrap it, wrap the hook, okay? Wrap your hook twice, insert like that, and then 1, 2, 3, okay? And then again, triple crochet. And then one more time. Kapag mabilis, stop nyo lang, ha? If it's fast, stop it. And then play it again. Ganon. And then we had made how many? 4 already? Not yet. One more. There. And then after that, you're going to do 2. Tama ba? Let me see again. 1, half double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now you're going to do one half double crochet. Okay, this is half double crochet. And then after that, you're going to do double crochet. You're going to do twice. Okay, so insert your hook, the double crochet. May nagbebenta pa sa labas eh. And then double crochet. The city life. Alam mo na, pag city life, maingay. And then after that, you're going to do your 3 single crochet into 1 stitch here. So insert your hook There. You're going to do 3 single crochet into this stitch, huh? Okay, 1, and then 2, and then one more time, 3. There you go. Then after that, of course, you're going to fold it. After you fold it, you're going to do half double crochet, okay, into this stitch. So insert your hook, half double crochet. Yeah, and then after that, you're going to do 2 double crochet. Actually, you are just going to do mirrored, okay, mirrored. What you did here, just repeat it in the other side. So, going to make double crochet, and then one more double crochet, and then you are going to do, you're going to do 4 triple crochet. So here, 1, 2, 3, one more time, and 4. And then after this, you're going to do 2 double crochet. After you make your double crochet, make a half double crochet. And then after that, you're going to do your single crochet. There. After you make your single crochet, you're going to do a slip stitch. Insert your hook into the first single crochet that you've made. There. And then chain. You're going to work behind the wire. There you go. Now, round 2. You're going to do chain 2 first. After you chain 2, so you made your chain 2, and then slip stitch, and then chain 2 into the same stitch. You're going to do a slip stitch, and then chain 2, slip stitch, chain 2, slip stitch. I think this is much nicer, right? Just repeat this one all the way until you reach here. See you. Okay, now we did chain 2 already, and then slip stitch there, right? Then after that, into the first stitch, you're going to do slip stitch, and then chain 1 at the back, okay? And then just leave enough yarn to wrap the wire. Cut it. There. And then after that, wrap it. Wrap the wire now. Ayan. Ipit nyo yan. And then, close it. Twist na yan. Or you can use, this pliers kung masakit ang iyong, daliri, day. Masakit ang daliri nyo, day. Ganyan nyo lang, oh. And then this one, cut this. Tapos, saan ba yung ko? Then after that, this one. I ran out of yarn a while ago, so kailangan natin maglagay ng panibagong yarn. We need to add another yarn. That's why. Masakit ang daliri ko dahil. Nauntok pa naman yung daliri ko kanina. Ang sakit. Nabunggo siya. Nabunggo, dahil. Char na. But it's true, it's painful. I accidentally bumped the wall when I was smashing the ice. So, here. Then cut it. Cut. Okay. Tapos na. Now we're done. So we are going to do the assemble of the sepal. The two leaves, the small leaves. Ayan. And then gonna rock it with the barbecue stick. Okay? And then of course the doll here. So ganyan siya. Okay, later on.